What's going on, everybody? Today I'm here at Sebascook Lake in Newport, Maine, trying to get some smallmouth bass or largemouth bass. There's either or in here. I'm going to be fishing with a topwater again. Hopefully I can get something out of here. Yep. Holy crap. That was a good bite. Holy moly. Jesus, that's a big fish. Big fish. Wow. Don't shake off. Don't jump. Don't jump. Holy shit. That was a big, this is a big one. Wow. Come some towards me. Come on. Come on. No jumping. No jumping. Holy shit. That's a big one. That is a big one. He's in the weeds. He's in the weeds. Get in here. Holy shit. Wow. Holy moly. My personal best is 6 and I don't have a freaking scale. Wow. That is a huge friggin' fish. Wow. Holy crap. That's got to be a 5-pounder. Holy shit. Wow. Look at the size of that thing. That is a fucking lunker. Yeah. Wow. All right, buddy. I got to put you back. Whew. Yeah. He's a good 5-pounder plus. I wish I had my scales with me. But holy crap, man. All right. Time to set you back. Thanks for biting, bud. Yeah, you're a big one, for sure. Thank you, God, for this beautiful bass today. I am so blessed to be out here fishing. There you go, bud. There he goes. Holy shnikes. Yeah. I gotta take a pause for a minute, catch my breath. Be right back with you guys. Alright. I'm calmed down now. I'm going to do a couple more. But that was a really good bite. Holy moly. Sorry for the swearing. But here I go. Yep. That was really cool. He wanted it. All right. Any more takers? Let's see, we got another one. At least want to get one more before I have to head out. I got a to-do list to do today. I'll get to it when I get to it.